Hello students, good morning. We are learning your topic current electricity and this is the topic number 1 from science 1. What is the topic name? Current electricity. In previous video lecture we have discussed about the difference between resistance and resistivity. What is resistance and what is resistivity? Definition, unit, symbol, then difference. We all things have seen in previous video lecture. See, what is the resistance? Resistance is nothing but it is a capacity of conductor to oppose flow of electron. And what is the resistance? Resistance, it is also one kind of resistivity. It is also one kind of resistance which having unit length and cross sectional area. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? Resistance is shown by symbol R, whereas the resistivity shown by symbol rho. What is the unit for resistance? Unit for resistance is ohm, whereas the unit for resistivity is ohm meter. Okay, what is the resistance? Resistance is nothing but capacity of conductor to oppose flow of electron. And what is the resistivity? It is one kind of resistance which is having the unit length and cross sectional area. See, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about new point, and that one is nothing but the electric circuit and circuit diagram. What is the definition of electric circuit and what is the definition of circuit diagram? See, electric circuit, in previous standards you have seen the electric circuit and circuit diagram. See, in this video we are going to discuss, or we are going to define the electric circuit and what is the electric diagram or the circuit diagram. See, electric circuit is nothing but it is a continuous path of electric current. See, what is the definition? First, I will write here the definition for electric circuit. See, what is the electric circuit? It is continuous path of electric current between the electric current through the conductor between the two ends of wire, between the two ends of wire of cell and other resistance is known as electric circuit. Is known as electric circuit. Okay, then this is all about electric circuit. Now we are going to define circuit diagram or electric circuit diagram. See, what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is nothing but the continuous path of flow of electron or continuous path of electric current in which through the conductor between the two ends of that cell or between the two ends of that wire and other the resistance or resistor is known as electric current, and the electric current is shown by the flow of electric current is shown by a special type of diagram, that is nothing but the circuit diagram. See, the electric circuit shown by using a special diagram. That diagram is known as electric circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram. See, and this diagram consists of different components, and these components having a special kind of symbols. This diagram consists of different components which are connected to each other. This diagram consists of different components which are connected to each other, having special symbol. See, these are the two definitions for electric circuit and circuit diagram. See, in geography you use, when you show map, okay, you use some special kind of symbols. Means you show houses with the help of this symbol, you show grass with the help of this symbol, in such a way that in science a circuit, electric circuit, is shown with the help of special kind of symbol, and these symbol are connected to each other with special kind of diagram. That diagram is known as circuit diagram. So how the circuit is drawn? See, it mainly consists of two conducting wires, okay, conducting wires, or it is also called as conductors. These conducting wires consist of plug key, okay, this is known as plug key. After that it consists of battery. When more than one cell are connected to each other, then it is called as battery. After that, here is the, I will show the one apparatus is known as ammeter. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal of ammeter. Here is the resistor which oppose the flow of current, all of you know that, okay. And here is this conducting wire connected here. Here is the resistor, R for resistor, and here is the voltmeter. The apparatus is known as voltmeter, which are connected parallelly to the electrical circuit, okay. This is known as voltmeter, and this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. See, this is known as plug key. This is a diagram for electrical circuit, not completed. See, this is known as plug key, okay. This is known as cell, or it is known as battery, because here are more than one cell. If it consists of only one, this one is known as cell, and it is, if it is consist of like this, means more than one cell, this is known as battery. This is the positive terminal and negative terminal of battery. This is known as ammeter. What is the name of this apparatus? Ammeter, okay. An ammeter is used to measure the current flowing through that electric circuit, okay. This is known as voltmeter. And what is the function of voltmeter? Voltmeter is used, of course, what is the function of voltmeter? It is used to determine the potential difference which flowing through this electrical circuit, okay. This is known as resistor, and this is the conducting wires. This known as conducting wire. See how the electric current flows. Electric current will always flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. I have already told you. So this is positive terminal, this is positive terminal, this one is positive terminal. So I can show arrow like this. Electric current is always flow from which direction to which direction? Positive terminal to negative terminal. Here, how can I show arrow? Current always flows from positive to negative. So I will show arrow like this, okay. This is your electrical circuit, or it is also known as electrical circuit diagram, which consists of how much instrument? First one, it consists of plug key, it consists of battery, it consists of ammeter, which is arranged in series, which is always arranged in series, and voltmeter is always connected parallelly. These two are very important. See, what is the function of voltmeter? To measure electric current, whereas what is the function of voltmeter? To measure potential difference which flows through this electrical circuit. This is the circuit diagram. Okay, this is known as electrical circuit diagram or electric circuit diagram. We will stop here.